Let me give you another example of another person. The person who inspired me, Sheikh Ahmad Didat. If you know his history, Sheikh Ahmad Didat was only 6th standard pass. And because he did not come from a very rich family, he had to give up his studies to make both his ends meet. So he migrated from India to South Africa. He was born in Gujarat in Tatkeshwar. At a young age, he migrated to South Africa. And while he's doing the job of a salesman in the furniture shop, many Christian missionaries, they harass him. They attack the Quran, and he has no reply. He feels very bad. I'm a Muslim, and I cannot defend my book. So what does he do? Once he comes across a book called as Izarul Haq, the truth revealed. And he finds in that book, there are answers to the questions which are posed by the Christian missionaries to him. He reads that book, he memorizes, now he has a mission in life. That I want to give a fitting reply to all these Christian missionaries. So he memorizes the book and he goes and gives a reply to this Christian missionary. Then Allah helps him more. He reads more book, he gets more knowledge. So much so that he starts in the 80s, he starts much before that, in the 60s. And by the time he reaches 70s and 80s, he alone, Sheikh Ahmad Didat alone, is taking all the Christian missionaries of Christianity single-handedly, alhamdulillah. One man, 6th standard pass, didn't even pass school, no degree. What was his goal setting? What does he do? He replies to the Christian missionaries and becomes so famous that he is asked to debate with Jimmy Swaggart. Some of you may have heard about Reverend Jimmy Swaggart. At that time, he was the most popular Christian missionary televangelist. Before he goes for the debate in the early 80s, he goes for a lecture tour in Pakistan. And during question and answer time, there is one Pakistani who's a fan of Sheikh Ahmad Didat. During question and answer time, he says, Sheikh Didat, I love you. I'm your fan. I'm requesting you, do not go and debate with Reverend Jimmy Swaggart. I know him very well. He is the best speaker in the world. He is the best orator. He will chew you and spit you out. Imagine, a fan of Sheikh Ahmad Didat is telling to Sheikh Ahmad Didat that don't debate Reverend Jimmy Swaggart. He will chew you and spit you. Imagine what will happen to a state. Instead of encouraging him, he's telling him, don't go. He will chew you and spit you aside. Who's telling him? His fan. I know Jimmy Swaggart. I have heard him. I know him very well. But Sheikh Ahmad Didat, he has Allah's help. He goes in USA, in Louisiana, in his hometown of Reverend Jimmy Swaggart, he has a debate on the topic of the world. And that debate is phenomenal. So much so that after 2 years, in 1986, Sheikh Ahmad Didat gets the King Faisal Award for the service of Islam. It's the highest award that any Muslim can receive in the field of Islam. It is like the Nobel Prize of the Western world. Nobel Prize is the highest award. In the same way, King Faisal Prize for the service of Islam is the highest prize any Muslim can get in the field of Islam.